Hey everyone, welcome back. So I was on my way home from running some errands and got really hungry, so I decided to go to Chipotle and we're gonna try their sofritos, which is a vegan option since I can't have the beef or chicken or pork anymore. I just got the kids because I just wanted a little snack before I got home just to tide me over. I needed to take some vitamins and stuff, so I got kids tacos with sofritos, cheese because I can't have dairy, and oh, sorry, excuse me, my nose itches, and white rice. I normally would get some beans too, but you only get so many options with the kids menu. I also got the fruit, so I have an orange. So yeah, let's just go ahead and give this a try. How are you guys doing? It's been a little bit hectic for me. It's really gloomy out today, which makes me a little, just sad. You know how weather has that effect on you? It just really can not dictate your mood, but it can really affect it. And it's been really gloomy and gross the last few days, so I think it's just kind of piled up. And oh my gosh, my neighbors have been so incredibly loud for the last few days. It has been driving me freaking nuts. And so I haven't slept that well. Last night I almost opened my door and yelled at some drunk girls because they were about to just piss me off. They were outside my door just I know, okay, you're having fun. I'm sorry that I'm like being a party pooper. It's just I'm so tired. Okay, so I'm just gonna try a bite of it. So y'all see that? Not really, I don't have a hand to focus it, sorry. That's good. That's good flavor. See, where'd my spoon go? Here it is. There's a bunch of juice with it. So I'm gonna scoop some of that up. I need some salsa too, but I forgot to order extra. Order that on the side. Oh well. If I like this, I'll know. It'll be nice. I don't get Chipotle often, but it's nice to have like an easy, cheap, popular somewhere like food option that I could go to. All right, so here's my taco. It just looks like cheese. That way, if friends want to go out for something quick and cheap. Chipotle is not like really super cheap. It's not like going to McDonald's or something like that, but I never could do McDonald's, so that is a high rarity. It's always disagreed with me. This is actually really good. This would be good in a bowl for sure, which is what I normally get. I normally do like a bowl, and then you can get tortillas on the side. It's one of your customizations. You get 3. Yes, I'm a child. I got chocolate milk, and it's good. I haven't had chocolate milk in so long. Yeah, it's nice to kind of have that option for going out with people. Even with my family. I don't really eat Chipotle, but they would. We live in Texas, so they grew up in like South Texas kind of area. My parents did. So Mexican food from a place like Chipotle isn't usually their first choice, which I totally get. But you know what? I put them all in different classes. You know, you have like your chain Mexican, like Chuy's and Lupe Tortilla and those kind of places. Papacitos, that one's pretty big. And then you have like your mom and pop shops, like authentic Mexican. You've got your like Cali Mex, which we don't have too much of that around here. And you have your Tex Mex, which is, you know, the heavy cheese laden. And then your fast food fast food Mexican, like Taco Bell and Taco Cabana and probably Del Taco. I've never been there. And you know what? I sometimes have a craving for ones from all of those. So, and sometimes the wallet can only afford the super cheap Taco Bell, Taco Cabana stuff. And you do with what you got, right? So let me show you all this before I top it with all the cheese. That look good. Honestly, their kids' meals are like a really good deal. This is like $5. Quite a bit of food. Their quesadillas, so I used to get their kids' quesadillas like the, I like to get the barbacoa. Oh, that is delicious. Or I would get the tacos, but I would make quesadillas out of it. So I would just need the meat and the cheese. And then I could still have a side of rice or beans. And my side of either chips or fruit. I always get the fruit. I like little cuties a lot. And then if I don't eat them, my nephew loves them. Like, I'm his best friend if I peel him one of these. So something really nice that Chipotle is doing right now. I don't know if it's just for the, beginning of the new year or if they'll continue it, but they have lifestyle bowls, which, I mean, it's a build your own burrito, or build your own bowl. But if you pick the keto option or the paleo option or Whole30 or whatever lifestyle, vegan, whatever, they already limit your options to what is on that plan based on their nutritional information on their ingredients. So it just makes it that much easier for you to be able to stick with your plan, stick with any diet or healthy choices you're trying to make without having to ask a ton of questions and feel like you're holding up the line. And I totally know how frustrating that can feel. I'm like, I'm sorry I'm being a pain, but I need to know. So that's nice. Alright, almost done. Last bite. Actually really filled me up. So I tried to do an ASMR video last night that I was so excited about. It had to be done last night because the food was going to go bad. I had tried to do it several times before, and just like I said, the apartment's been so noisy that I haven't been able to do it. Because, with ASMR, you've got to be quiet. Well, and I think there was even more noise last night. That was even possible. So I was doing it like 1 o'clock in the morning. I tried in the middle of the day, and middle of the day on a weekday, someone's slamming the door every 2 minutes probably. And then last night, just constant road noise right outside, people walking outside my window, people walking outside my door. There was girls, there was people yelling, oh my gosh. So I don't know if it's going to turn out or not. I just went to bed right after cleaning up and didn't really listen to it or check it out. So we'll see, but fingers crossed, because it's not really something that I can get again easily. I'll have to wait a while. So it's really frustrating, and it was expensive. But it is what it is. Well, I hope you guys are having a super blessed, super amazing, awesome day. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know below with a thumbs up and a comment. And let me know what you think about these car videos. This is my second one, I guess. They're always just spur of the moment. I'm hungry and hey, why not film it? I'm gonna eat in my car. I'll film it. So if you like them, awesome. If you hate them, awesome. I'd love to know your input, for real. And also, if you, like always, if you have any recommendations for what I could eat next, if there's any challenges out there that you've seen and you'd like to see me try or you think I'd love to hear about them. I don't have a lot of time to spend just watching videos, unfortunately, on YouTube. I'd love to, because I'd love to know what's going on, but I just don't have time. But please, if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I post. I'm trying to post more frequently. Hopefully that can keep up. We will see. It's been a little bit exhausting, but right now I've been in overdrive preparing videos in advance for surgery, so hopefully that'll, help. I hope that you'll have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Thank y'all for joining me tonight. I love getting to eat and chat with you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear any suggestions you have for eating challenges or foods to try. So let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. If you're interested in learning some fun recipes, check out my cooking channel, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook to keep up with any updates or video teasers that may come your way. Well, I hope y'all have a super blessed night, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!